Hi, it's Jen with Cherry Tree Beads, and today I'm going to show you how to make these quartz, teardrop, and stainless steel U-shaped earrings. So what we're going to do is we're going to start off with a stainless steel wire, and this is a 22 gauge, and I'm going to string it through the top of my pendant. And then what I like to do for a top drilled teardrop like this is to bend up both sides so that they crisscross at the top. Then I like to take my pliers, and you can see one of them I've made shorter and one I've kept longer. The longer is gonna go for the top and coil back around, and the bottom is shorter because it's just gonna coil at the bottom. So then I'm gonna hold it right in here. And then I'm going to coil that back around. And this stainless wire is a little bit more difficult than some of these other wires I've used, but I really like it because it's non-tarnish and it holds up really well. But because it's more difficult to use, I like to use longer pieces so that it's easier to work with if I have a longer piece. And then I'm gonna snip off the excess. And then I'm gonna go in the top and I'm gonna put my pliers right up against that coil, and I'm gonna bend it away from me. So I've got it at a 90-degree angle. And then I'm gonna go and put my pliers in right at the top. And then I'm gonna bend that around, creating my loop. And then at this point, I'm gonna attach my loop to the U. You can also attach it this way if you prefer it to look like this and hang down. I think that looks nice as well. But for this, we're gonna do it this way. So I'm gonna string that on there, and then I'm gonna hold in my circle, and I'm gonna coil this back around. And then I'm gonna cut off the excess. And then you can see it got a little crooked when I twisted it, so I'm just gonna go back in there and straighten everything up with my pliers, make sure everything's lined up nicely. See, that looks much better. Then I'm gonna take my ear wire, and I'm just gonna twist that up so that I can string this on. And I'm just gonna twist that back into place. And there you go. Thanks so much for watching. All the supplies can be found at cherrytreebeads.com. Have a great day.